here we've auto-wired this account service implementation, so we can say account service dot get update account balance. So we want to update account balance. We need to pass this payment to it, right? Payment, and yeah, so now we can go here and update. So we pass the payment information, payment, say payment. So we need to do same thing for the account service interface. Yeah, so let's come back. So now we pass the payment to it. So to update the account balance, so let's quickly go here and write the logic for this method. This would ideally be coming from, would ideally be doing this with a database, but for now, before we do the database setup and all, let's just say payment. Now we have a list of accounts. We want to first of all look through that account list to see which account number matches this the destination account in this payment method, and if we once it matches, then we can update the account balance for that account. So I'm just going to use Lambda to do this filtering, but you can use a for loop if you want, or any other for each loop if you want, but I'm just going to say accounts, yeah, accounts equals account list dot stream dot filter, you can say x goes to x dot get account number dot equals payment dot get destination account, right? So if you get this, we can say dot find, we can say find first or find any, just say find first, so get me the first one. Find first dot, you can say or else throw, or else throw, so throw an exception, so now we can say, now we have that account, so we can update that account. So we can say account dot set balance is equals to payment dot get amount, yeah, payment dot get amount. So this is going to update that particular account for us. Now after updating it, we want to get this account balance, we want to get the account, right? So I can say account service implementation dot get account balance. So for us to get the account balance, we also need to pass the payment, so we can know, so it can know which account balance we want it to get for. So it's the same thing, basically. Just go here, I'm just going to pass this payment to it, and then come here and going to pass this to it. So I'm just going to copy this function, that lambda expression. I'm just going to paste it here because it's the same thing. You can actually write this into a function, but I'm not going to do that now. I'll just leave it duplicated because I'm going to overwrite this, like rewrite this thing when I connect to a database. But if I have to do it one more time, I will just do it because it's looking ugly already. So I'm going to say now we have the account balance. Just let's pass that logger. Let's say logger. You know what? Leave the logger for now. Just going to say return return accounts, right? Return accounts, and then say return account. No, okay, I see what happened. We need to make it return an account here, and then come here. Now it's happy. So you need to return, let's say account equals this. So after making the deposit, just return this account for us, or just go ahead and put the return here. Return. So let's say return the account. Let's go to the payment service. Make the deposit return account. Let's resolve this. Import account. And in the implementation, return. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's happy now. So come here. Now everything looks okay. So I want to return here. Just make this account. Do this, and then we say return. Let's quickly pull up our Postman and test this. I can say deposit. Go to the body. Okay, I already put this here some point just to make this fast. So if I should call this, oh, I need to start the application. Okay, account service implementation needs a bin of payment service implementation needs a bin of what? Account service implementation that could not be found. Let's go to the payment service implementation. Account service implementation. We need to annotate this with the service. Service. Run this again. Okay. I'm going to do this now. Method not allowed. Is it get? Okay, change it to make it post. Bad request. So apparently we've not in the payment type doesn't have anything. Let's go to the payment type in the domain payment type. So let's make this an enum. So an enum is just like options. So we can say either make it a deposit, withdrawal, and transfer. Okay, and you know what? Let me get DevTools. DevTools is just going to make the fact that we don't have, just make it easy to start the application. The application restarts by itself, so I don't need any of that. So I'll just go DevTools, go Explorer, and this is DevTools. Just copy this dependency from here to here, only that dependency, and close. Go to our application pom.xml, pom.xml, yeah. So I'm going to paste DevTools here, just right above. I'm going to save this, going to source, clean up. Okay, so I'm going to stop this. that is running. Removal terminated, and run this again. So if we make any update now, and we save, it's going to restart itself, right? I'm going to Postman now. Run this. Okay, good. So you see the output. This is the account number that we are trying to update, and the source account is null, and this is fine. So we're making a deposit, and you see it's added that amount. Remember, in this, the account number that had 03, the balance was 0. Must have seen that. Yeah, 0. So if we do an addition now, let's say make it £5, or this is not updating, and why that is we need to see in here, when we update the account balance, we are just setting it. We're supposed to add the amount, right? So let's say double new balance is payment dot get amount plus, okay, you know what, I'm just going to go in front. It doesn't matter anyway, it's fine, but I just want to put it this way. So the accounts dot get balance plus the payment dot get amount. Yes, so we can set the balance to be this, right? So I save it now. So you see DevTools is acting in place now, and it's updated. So I can go back to Postman and run this. So you see it's £5, and if I do this now, it becomes £10. If I update the amount to £15, becomes £25. So yeah, that is about that for the deposit function. We would rewrite some parts of it, like make this actually return a DTO instead of returning an account. So until the next time, this is all for now. Thank you for watching. It's been a bit of a long tutorial, but I hope it's worth the time. Cheers for now. Bye.